Hello my dear students of class 8. As per DM order, once again the holidays has been announced just because of the bad weather, and hope you are enjoying at your home. Let's start our online classes once again. So we are on the chapter number 12. Chapter number 11 has been completed into the class only. Now we are on chapter number 12 of history, that is Indian history after the independence. Post-independence means after the independence. How many challenges was being faced by the Indians, by the leaders of the country? So there were so many challenges which was being faced by the Indians to rehabilitate the refugees, along with that to make the states to combine with each other, along with that how they will contribute, how the leaders will contribute to make the country to become the powerful, to become sovereign country, to become the secular country, and along with that how the administration should be. These were all the challenges which was being faced by the leaders of the country. So now we can see that India is one of the largest powerful country or leading nation, or we can say the leading nation into the whole world. India is the leading nation or into the whole world. Whatever the things are going on, they used to, each and every country wants the suggestion from India. This is our power now. So सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. That is the correct, or we can say the powerful line for all Hindustanis, for all Bharatiya, or we can say all Indians. So in the last chapters we have studied about the struggle which was being faced by the people against the Britishers to make them away from our country, to move them away from our country. So many challenges was faced by the people of the country. So it was the end of the colonial era and the beginning of the new era. In the birth of the young nation, it had come out from the clutches of the foreign countries. Our country, after so many fights, after so many freedom fighters given their lives to make India free, so many challenges, after so many struggle, we got out of the clutches of the foreign policies of foreign people. Next, foreign rule. After nearly 2 centuries, it had been exploited on all accounts. Our country got exploited from all the accounts, from the human resources also, from the natural resources also, from the economy also. Means all the things was being exploited by them into our country. Technology, the economy was tattered and torn. The state of technological advancement was poor, and millions of hungry mouths were waiting to be fed. Means there is no anything left into our country to feed those people who are left poor into our country. So all the grains and all the things, all the economic conditions, everything got torn and tarnished by the Britishers, and they have left this country, they have left this type of country for us. Nothing was left into our country. Next, India as a nation had to stand up and meet up the aspiration of the people, and at the same time make a place for itself in the world. There was 2 challenges over there. Firstly, we need to establish our people. We need to make rules and regulations by which they could be able to follow them and live harmony into the country. But the second was, it was a challenge to make the identity into the whole world, Indian identity into the whole world. That was the second challenge. It was the second most populous country in the world, and it had chosen a path of democracy and secularism, which can be both strength and weakness. So India India was the second populous country into the world. India has chosen the democratic along with the secularism in which all the religions must be respected. So this type of things was being accepted by the leaders, but it has its its strength points also, and also it has a weakness also. Strength: as a society develops as a homogeneous mix of culture, more tolerant, more adaptive. Weakness: as there can be friction between the communities and the classes, and they can be costly for the growth in there if there is internal pull and pressure to meet the need of the communities. पहला जो चैलेंज था आपका, वो आपका ये था कि स्ट्रेंथ आपका ये था कि आप मतलब टोटली सोसाइटी को आप हार्मोनियसली आप लेकर के चल रहे हो, सबके बीच में रिलीजियस टॉलरेंस जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा, मोर अडेप्टिव हो जाएंगे लोग, एनवायरनमेंट के अडेप्टिव हो जाएंगे, चीज़ों को अडेप्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. वीकनेस क्या है? Weakness was that the friction between the communication of the classes, means to say that religious communications जो है और classes के बीच में जो communication है, जो caste के बीच में communication है, वो आपका communicational gap की वजह से जो आपकी development एक country के अंदर होनी चाहिए, वो development जो है वो आपकी कम हो जाएगी. It will get reduced. And आपस में अगर समझ नहीं रहेगी, there will not be any type of understanding between the communities and the classes, then there will be so many challenges to make our country identified or identifiable into the whole world. So we shall see this part as the following order. Firstly, the initial challenge. Second, government and administration. And fourth was the foreign affairs. Means to say that how our relationship with the other countries, how we are making the bonding strong or making it the weakness. That is the main challenge into the country. Initial challenges: even before the new nation on the world map could form a government and make a constitution, organize its armed forces so as to secure its border, it was faced with a huge division of territory both in the eastern and the western border. मीन्स आपका ये डिसाइड कर दिया गया कि हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान जो है उसके वो अलग हो जाएगा, वहाँ पर आपकी आर्मी भी इस्टेब्लिश की गई. वो सारी की सारी चीज़ें जो है उससे माइंड मैप एज अ प्लानिंग उसे बनाया गया, सब कुछ इस्टेब्लिश किया गया. लेकिन उसके लिए उससे पहले आपको बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ा. What was the challenges? Another nation was formed on the ground of the communal affinities and named Pakistan. Large-scale migration took place in the both sides. The partition of India was marked by violence and plunder. Whatever the partition was being decided into the country, it has been created too much violence along with the plunder, along with the so many murders just because of this partition. People are displaced from their places and they has been turned into the refugees and they are coming into our country, and the people from India, they are going into Pakistan. Homeless, they become homeless without food and without shelter. They were living like a refugee life into the country, into their own country. People on both sides of the border left in a hurry with whatever the belongings they could carry. बहुत ही जल्दी में ये फैसला लिया गया और बहुत ही जल्दी में आपका पार्टीशन कर दिया गया. Whatever the belongings जो उनके पास थे, whatever the belongings they have, they are carrying with themselves. And the fertile and the water-fed areas went to Pakistan in both East and the West Pakistan, whereas industries which depended on the remain on the Indian side. Means to say that जितने भी आपके fertile areas थे जहाँ पर वाटर प्रोवाइड हो सकता था, वो सारे के सारे आपके पाकिस्तान में चले गए. लेकिन जो इंडस्ट्रीज उस पर्टिकुलर एरियाज पर डिपेंड थी, वो इंडस्ट्रीज सिर्फ आपकी इंडिया में रह गई. Rehabilitation of the refugees, we will see that into our next video. Whatever I have taught you, make it revise at your home and try to find out the let's check question answer by yourself. Thank you so much everybody.